One of my goals this year is to elevate my work by collaborating with other talented creators. High quality hardware has become a bigger focus for me because it can make or break a piece. After all, it's often the only part of a storage piece you actually touch every time you use it.
Okay, so we're gonna cut this off with roughly enough mass.
When I met Bradley Schwarz at a local craft fair, I immediately connected with his work. He strives for perfection using only his hands, which makes him a perfect collaborator for a detail-obsessed furniture maker like me.
Okay, so we're just gonna plop this in there.
Visiting his shop in North Durham is always a highlight. The process of making the poles starts with glowing red metal, trimmed and roughly shaped on an anvil before entering a die for consistency.
A sort of geometrical shape. It's like this. So it's got an indentation, and it comes down with really pushing, boom, it comes down with it at about 8 tons.
After finishing the pole with an oil and wax mixture and tapping a hole for a screw, it's ready for installation.